Techlife X6, combining excellent parameters with functionality. A maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, up to 35 after modification. Full charging time, 5 hours. Battery with a capacity of 13 amp hours, providing a range of up to 45 kilometers on a single charge. Front suspension. Full LED lighting. We care for your safety. Fully adjustable handlebar. Modifiable display with access to advanced driving options. 2 powerful brakes. Motor with nominal power of 600 watts and maximum power of 800 watts. Double rear suspension. Foldable construction enables easy carrying and storage of the scooter.